Good morning. Go ahead and pin this, and then we can get started. Day 25 of the Claws drink, and I'm so excited. I guess in 2 days it'll be 4 weeks. No, in 3 days, 4 days will be 4 weeks. So I'm excited about that. Good morning, guys. Of course, where's my knife? We're gonna keep it sweet and simple today. Just gonna make my drink because I also have to make my juice and I have work today. So I'm just gonna knock this out and then move on about my day. So if you watch it on the replay, this will be short, sweet, and simple. So let me get started. And I'm gonna add an ingredient to today's drink. You know, I'm always changing it up. Oh, by the way, my name is Donata Joseph, your virtual skin therapist, here to talk to you about all things mind, body, skin, and hair. And you guys know you've been following me on my detox journey, which I love because I've been feeling so amazing since I started. So if you have not thought about considering to do the detox, you really want to treat yourself to a minimum of 3 weeks. I've noticed that my blood pressure is lower. My thyroid is lower than it was in March. In March, it was 3.8. Now it's 2.8. So I honestly don't know if that has something to do with it, but having lower numbers in any of your health issues is awesome. So good morning. My thyroid is 2.8, so I'm excited about that. Never had any issues with blood sugar, but Monday night, Dorielle did her 1-year visit. And Monday night at 7 p.m., she's going to give us results of what her testing was due to drinking this drink for however long she's been drinking it, 188 days probably. So let's get started and make this quick. I'm just going to do one drink. This one is for Ariana. So I'm starting with cayenne pepper, lemon. Of course, the cayenne pepper helps with circulation. The lemon, half a lemon, helps with exfoliation. Again, drink this 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. You guys don't want 2-3 months down the line your teeth is jacked up because you didn't follow this instruction. So half a lemon, apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon. I'm trying to get my dad on this too, so that he can decrease his meds. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps to stimulate. About 8 ounces of water. As for sweetener, so we'll do a tablespoon of, right now I have honey. My son used all my agave to make pancakes the other day. So I have 100% raw honey, so you guys could see what kind. Always want to have raw honey, nothing with all the extra sugar in it. So S for sweet sensation, E for extra virgin olive oil, smooth elimination, because you don't want to be backed up trying to get these toxins out your system. And along with the Claws drink, I always sometimes like to add turmeric because turmeric helps with it's an anti-inflammatory herb. So I'm going to put a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric in the drink. Now in mine, you guys know, I'm working on parasites, so my drink is completely different. If you guys like to see it, I'll go ahead and show you real quick. So that's the Claws drink with a side of turmeric, and this is what it looks like. For mine, what I drink to help rid of these parasites is about 8 to 9 ounces of water. I add a little extra cayenne pepper because it's amazing for the circulation, and I like cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper also helps to curb your appetite. So if you have problems with overeating, this is a great drink to have because it helps to curb your appetite. So cayenne pepper, I'm gonna put half a lemon, if it can go in a jar and not outside of the jar. My apple cider vinegar, you know I take on the side because of my teeth. So I'm gonna put a shot of apple cider vinegar on the side. And if you guys don't want to do this full drink, you can just do apple cider vinegar every day. Every morning you have a shot of apple cider vinegar. Please do not drink it straight. You want to be sure you dilute it. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and dilute the rest, please. You don't want to irritate your teeth. Apple cider vinegar, W for water. I'm not putting sweetener because I don't need to feed the parasites any sugar. And extra virgin olive oil because I want a smooth move. And then with mine, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. And I'm so excited, you guys. So many of you guys watch the replay and have a ton of questions. And I'm really excited about that, to be an example, to be an inspiration for you guys to live a healthier life, to feel better. So that's amazing for me. I had 2 people send me videos yesterday of them making their drinks, so that's exciting. They're loving the effects. Okay, back to my drink. So I added a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Now I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of diatomaceous earth, which will help cleanse my system furthermore. Food grade, whatever you get, be sure it's food grade. And then I am going to add a kick of cinnamon today. So the cinnamon and cayenne is gonna be really amazing. So guys, this is my drink. If you have any questions, if you're just joining, be sure you watch the beginning of the replay if you want to see how to make these drinks. If you have any questions and you're watching on a replay, you're more than welcome to send a message via DM for Instagram and for Facebook. You could pin me. You could add the question on the comments and then I can answer it. Let me get some church announcements out the way. Monday night, 7 p.m., we're doing our Detox the Hair. You don't want to miss those 2 series, especially if you're really into taking care of your hair. Monday night, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is our Detox the Hair series. If you want to watch my personal journey of detoxing from the inside out, you can go to my YouTube page called Skinfood and watch my videos. And last but not least, you can subscribe to my emails, and weekly I try to do my best to send something out to educate you guys, either video or some type of tidbit. So you can join my email by clicking the link to my bio, and then you can subscribe. Thank you guys for joining. Don't forget to feed your skin from the inside and out. May this help nourish your mind, body, skin, and hair. Bye, guys.